Hi guys, welcome to class. In the last video, I introduced to you the study of life, which is biology, and I introduced to you the study of life, which is biology, and I made mention that the word biology has its origin in the Greek language, bios, which means life, and logos, which means study. And also, I told you that of all fields of science, biology is the most demanding. So, I believe by now you should know that we are in for a lot of work. But anyway, I'm here to make it exciting for you. That's why I'm here. Now, let's define biology. Biology is defined as the study of life, the study of living things, from the unicellular organisms to the global interactions among millions of organisms that make up life. You can also define biology as a study of the life history of individual organisms as well as the collective history of organisms. So basically, if you follow the definition, what I've been saying is living things, living things, living things. That's basically what we're concerned with in biology. And I mentioned in the last video that biology is a multidisciplinary science. And that means we have different fields, or we can say different disciplines and different branches. Now, biology as a field of science has two major categories. We say zoology, which is the first category, and botany, which is the second category. Zoology, which is simply defined as the study of animals. A person who studies zoology is called a zoologist, and botany is the study of plants. A person who studies botany is called botanist. And there are other fields in biology. This includes anatomy, which is the study of the structures of living things. The study of the morphological characteristics of living things. A person who studies anatomy is called an anatomist. Another field in biology is physiology. This is the study of how living things work. That is the study of how systems, the organ systems, communicate and interact with one another. And a person who studies physiology is called a physiologist. Another field of biology is histology. This is the study of the tissues of living organisms. Another field of biology is called pathology, which is the study of diseases, the study of the disease process. We consider the etiology, the pathogenesis, and also the characteristics which are expressed by disease living things. And this is very important. We also have another field called endocrinology. Endocrinology is defined as the study of bodily hormones. We also have a field called genetics. And this is one of the recent field of science which has undergone so much innovation over the past few years. And we'll be discussing that in the later videos. Genetics is simply the study of how characteristics are being transferred from the parents to their offspring. And a person who studies genetics is a geneticist. You see, you agree with me that biology has different views. And the good news is that there are more fields that are being discovered every now and then. So you can't exhaust all the knowledge in biology, you can't even know all, but you should know as much as you should know. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but you should. I'll see you in the next video.